Okay, welcome back to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And today we're going to take a quick look at the MFJ 1204 digital interface. Coming up next. Okay, welcome back to the channel. And like I said, today we're going to take a look at the MFJ 1204 USB digital mode interface. You use this to get on many digital modes like FT8, FT4, JT65, and a ton more. Most people will download the WSJTX software and get onto the digital modes. MFJ advertises this as plug and play, so that's why I picked it up for my Yaesu 857D. And let's just take a quick look at it. It's a digital mode interface, and this one's pretty simple, so it does not have a built-in rig control, but it does have adjustable transmit and receive levels. You cannot control the transmit delay, and there's no transmit status indicator. There is also no microphone pass-through input. The cable is about 36 inches in length, and the USB cable is also included. Fits many radios. Normally what you'll have to do is when you order, just tell them what radio you have and they'll send you the correct cable. The Yaesu comes with the mini 6-pin. So let's take a quick look at the MFJ 1204 digital interface. Coming up next. Alright, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to take a look at a cool little device that will get you on to the digital modes, which are quite popular on HF these days. And there's a lot of different companies out there selling similar products. This is the MFJ version. I know there's a Rig Blaster out there. But this is the MFJ 1204. It's a USB radio interface. You connect it to your computer, your laptop, and to your radio, and it lets you operate digital modes. And if you download the software, you can get on to modes like FT8, JT65, FT4, and so on and so forth. And you could also get on PSK 31, the Whisper Network, Echolink, APRS, and the list goes on and on. So this one is the MFJ. It's pretty simple to use. They advertise it as plug and play. Just plug it into your laptop, plug it into your radio. You have to do a couple of steps prior. Your first one is when you're ordering them, tell them what radio you have, because it's a special cable, like a mini DIN. They all have different, I think Yaesu is a mini DIN 6, and ICOM and Kenwood, you would have to check and they'll send you the appropriate cable. So we're going to take a quick look. You're going to see it's a pretty small, great for portable. You could take this on POTA or Summits on the Air, that kind of thing. Fits in your knapsack. If you got a small little laptop, this doesn't take up too much space in your bag, and it's very light. So here it is. This is the box it comes in. I got it for Yaesu for my FT8 57D. They say it's good for isolating noise. It's got a clean transformer, and so you're not susceptible to hums, ground loops, and noise. And the PTT switch is pretty clean, so you're going to have good transmission and switching back over to receive. So let's take a look. Let's open her up. Here's your manual. It's online nowadays, so there you go. You have the audio settings for receive, transmit. Like I said, mine is configured for the 6-pin mini DIN for the Yaesu. Pretty simple. Your RJ45 jack. And that goes to your radio. That's the 6th pin. And this is for your USB, goes right to your computer. So pretty simple, straightforward. Get you on the digital modes. Plug and play. I've used it. I've gotten onto FT8 with it. So take a look. The MFJ 1204. They retail right now for about 120. I just looked online. They have one used for 89. So check every so often. You might get a deal, or you can just pick one up secondhand on a site like eBay or eHam. eHam's another good site, and I think QRZ as well. So you might be able to save a few dollars. But right now they're retailing for about 120, brand new. So there it is, the MFJ 1204 USB radio interface. Like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go. Okay, a quick look at the MFJ 1204 digital interface to get onto the digital modes like JT65, FT8, FT4, and so on and so forth. And there's nothing better than a controversy to spark up debate. And it comes to digital modes. People love them, people hate them, but people love to talk about them. So comment below. Tell me what you think of the digital modes and how it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go. And don't forget to check the description for the final word on the digital modes in the 1204. Thanks for watching.